Hi guys, my name is Anya. If you're new here, welcome. I make styling videos in here as well as some travel and lifestyle ones. So if you're interested in those, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about a very exciting news of mine. I've been really interested in a lot of different styling things, but of course, if you are into styling, you know quite a lot about like different designer bags and stuff. So my dream come true. I actually got my first designer bag and like a proper one, because before that I did have a few like middle segment bags, but this one is like a full-on designer and I'm super excited, as you can see. So today I wanted to show you what is this bag and tell you a little story of how I found it and why this bag exactly. And I also wanted to show you what's inside. So let's get started. So the bag that I got is this one. This is a Proenza Schouler PS1 bag in the size tiny, I think, but it's kind of like a mini bag. You can fit a lot in that. I'm that person who loves very mini bags. I love micro bags and all this other jazz. So this is like a full-on medium bag for me. However, let me first start with the story how I got this one exactly. You can see it's a beautiful green color. It's called watermelon, which is very interesting because watermelon color is usually like a corally shade, but this time they decided it's a color of a watermelon peel, and this is a very beautiful shade. I think it's almost the same on camera as it is in real life, and I absolutely adore it. And this is the reason why I got this bag in the first place. Of course, I knew a lot about like Proenza Schouler bags, but I was always a fan of PS11, and I thought that my first Proenza Schouler bag would be PS11, to be honest. And when I looked at those PS1 bags, I also loved it because I love satchels. I could never find a beautiful shade for myself. The other day when I was discovering some pre-loved bags, I have found this green color in this PS1, and I knew that, you know what, I need to get it because it's like a 1 in a million and I haven't seen anything like that before. So I decided to get this. So this bag definitely stole my heart. I got it, as I said, pre-loved. It's not new. I think this color was back in maybe 2019 collection or somewhere like that. I think that they resale for more than 1,000 euros right now. So I got a very good deal on it. But other than that, what I can say is that I found out that pre-loved market for me is actually almost the only way to get the bags that I want, because I'm not really into like trendy bags. So I do have actually a list of bags that I love for maybe like 10 previous years since I started being interested in styling. So this was actually one of them, but this was not the first one. This is why I'm so surprised that this is my first designer bag, because I thought that that will be just a fifth one or sixth one or something like that. So meet this baby girl and let's see what do I have inside. Okay, I think everyone knows by now how this bag is opened. You just undo the clasp here and top part just goes to the other side. So the first pocket that you have is on the outside, and it does have a little magnet on it. So to open it, you need to undo the magnet, and I have a ring in there. I do have a ring. I think I just had it because I wanted to put something on, and I did put my earrings on and my necklaces, but my ring just remained there. I don't have anything else in there, but I think you can put something in there that you want to be secure. This magnet is very like strong one, so you can not just do this very easily. And then it has a big compartment and a zip pocket there as well, which is empty as well, because I kind of feel like I'm just throwing everything in the main compartment and I'm not using the pockets at the time, but maybe I will. And let's see what this mess is. So the first thing is, because it is January, I do have a pair of gloves in here. These are just black leather gloves, because if I'm not gonna put them on top of my bag, I'm just gonna forget them and my hands will be cold as hell, especially because I do have very, very dry cuticles, and when my hands get very cold, they get very dry as well. So I'm just trying to be prepared for the coldness, you know. Then I have 2 packs of some tissues and wet wipes. I always try to get wet wipes and tissues with me because I'm a mess and my boyfriend is a mess, and when we are walking and eating something outside, we are always like dirty. I'm just trying to keep those things with me just because I don't want to be dirty in front of the people. Then I do have my little wallet in here, and this is actually the wallet that I got in Bosnia. This is the most touristic thing you can get, I think, this little pouch. They literally sell it on every step of this city, and I've got some cash and card and some coins there as well. I'm not a huge fan of all the like cash stuff, but I feel like it comes in handy. And also I do have a proper wallet, but it's too big for most of my bags now, and I haven't got to have a card holder, especially now when I have these coins, so I think this thing is very handy. Then talking about cleaning, I do have a hand sanitizer in here. This is just something that I got because not all of my bags fit a wet wipe package, so I decided to get this antiseptic hand gel so I can, you know, make my hands a little less dirty, especially because it's like the season when all the people get very sick, and you can put this hand gel all over the people who are coughing. Then we find a tea bag. I think I got it when I was in IKEA and I haven't had this there, so I just threw it in my bag. And to be honest, this is a very handy thing to have because I love tea. I love black tea. I can just get some hot water and have a tea on the go. So it's there. I can see a hair tie. This is two of the hair ties that I have. I don't know why I have two. Sometimes I don't have any of them. So yeah, because you can see I have long hair and I like to get them out of my face. A receipt. What a girl without a receipt, right? Then I have a mirror. And this is a very old mirror actually that my dad gave to me for the, I think it was the International Women's Day when I was like 11 or something, or like 10 years old. And it's very old, it's very like scratched up and very weirdly looking, but I love it because it's the perfect size. It's just square with nothing in it. I just need to clean it. And to be honest, I don't care because I love this mirror so much. It's amazing. A gum. Always needs to have a gum because who likes a smelly breath? My keys. And if you don't know, when I used to live in Turkey, we always got this sparkling water that they sell in those like little bottles, and it's very cool when you just pop into the store, get a few of those bottles, and then you can drink them somewhere on a coast. So I love to do that, and I bought specifically this like, what is this? A bottle opener on a keyring, and so I can open bottles now. I have a tampon. I have another tampon. How many tampons does a girl need? I don't know. And then everything that I see right now is just a bunch of lip products because I'm a lip product junkie. I think lip products are my favorite things in makeup. I recently got rid of some of my lip products because they were just too old and just I didn't want to have them. So now I'm thinking about buying new lip products. But look at this. I think that sometimes some women don't have that many lip products in their lives, and I just have this amount in my bag. This is weird, but bear with me. Let's go and see what I have. I literally have 5 lip pencils. It's not because I'm weird and crazy and I do need all of those 5 of them. It's just that I wore different combinations on my lips every single day, and I just keep on throwing the new lip products in my bag. That's why I have 5 of them. So I have a red one from MAC, which is called Cherry, which means that I wore a red lip the other day. I have this one from Luxe Visage Soft Matte in a 603. This is a pinky, like a dusty pink one. So I had some dusty pink lips. Then I have Nude Beige from NYX, one of my favorite ones. And then this one is from Flormar, Naturally Nude. This is like a peachy one. And then I have a good old Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. I can never pronounce her name right. I'm so sorry, Charlotte. Then I have a mini lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury as well. This is a Pillow Talk to go with a lip pencil. I have 2 of the MAC lipsticks. One is Peach Blossom, this pinky nude for the pink one. And then I have a Honey Love. This is like a peachy nude, a matte shade. And then I have a Marc Jacobs. Don't get me wrong, I know that Marc Jacobs are not on the market anymore, which means that this lipstick is a few years old, but I love it. It's called Oh Miley, and this is actually my favorite red. I feel like it's such a beautiful bluish red that goes so nicely with a lot of the different skin shades, and I just love it. And then my favorite lip gloss of all times, I literally keep rebuying it, from Maybelline. It's called Lift Your Gloss in the shade Stone 008. And then this is all we have actually in this bag. Let me close it. We have another back side pocket, which doesn't have anything in there, but yes, this is it for my little new bag. I am so in love with you, baby. Yeah, I love it. I actually feel like it's one of the most beautiful bags that I could buy as a first bag. I definitely recommend it because I've been wearing it ever since I got it and I love it so much. I feel like the color is very beautiful for any season, and if you love satchels as I do, I definitely recommend you looking at this one. So yeah, this was my what's in my first designer bag video. I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me what kind of bags you like. Do you like satchels? Do you like Proenza Schouler bags? Tell me what you want for your first designer bag if you haven't got one. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, support this video with a little like, and I hope to see you guys in my next one.